Hello everyone. So today I wanted to go over how to use our new Naturally skincare set. So that includes the cleanser, we have our exfoliating powder, the moisturizing stick, and the nourishing oil. So there it all is. Super easy regimen, and this is especially good for those who might have really sensitive skin. It is the only line that we have that is third-party certified. So I have my little notes right here. I'll go over them with you. So it's third-party certified as natural according to the comprehensive standards of the COSMOS Natural Certified Ecocert. So pretty big deal there. So it actually is certified by this third-party company. So, and that's, like I said, really big deal. So it is free of parabens, phthalates, synthetic fragrance, synthetic dyes, SLS and SLES. So with that being said, it does not foam. So I do have some people that wonder if it foams up. It does not, because it does not have the foaming agents in it. And so with the cleanser. So with that, the cleanser does help remove dirt off your face. It rinses clean. It doesn't leave your skin like with a parched feeling or anything like that. And it helps your skin feel nourished and soothed. So ingredients, big deal here. So corn flour floral water is what it has. And then sweet almond oil. So if you are allergic to nuts, the cleanser and then the nourishing oil are not for you. So we'll have to find something else. And then it also includes moisture boosting glycerin and vitamin E. And then it does have a light vanilla scent. It says that. I don't smell anything personally. So yeah, it's, some people smell it, some people don't. I don't. Like I said, it's free of parabens, phthalates, synthetic fragrance, synthetic dyes, SLS, SLES. And it's also free of silicone, mineral oil, alcohol, or any ingredients that have been genetically modified. So the cleanser is 99.49% natural origin. The remaining 0.51% help blend the formula together and maintain effectiveness. So this is best used either with your Skinvigorate cleansing brush, which my daughter has. I don't know if you can hear that. Here, can I have my brush? Thank you. So the cleansing brush, or using it on damp skin with a cotton round. And what you can also do is actually mix it with the exfoliating powder for a customized experience. So all of these can actually be used interchangeably with the rest of our line as well. So if you want to use the Naturally cleanser with the clear proof charcoal mask and then the 3D moisturizer, whatever you want to do, you can interchange it all. So, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do the cleanser real quick. Oh, I also wanted to tell you that it's gentle formula, suitable for sensitive skin. It is clinically tested for skin irritancy and allergy. It is dermatologist tested, and it is non-comedogenic. And the use-up rate for it is about 2-ish months, using it twice a day. Here, can you hold that for Mama? Okay. I'm gonna start cleansing. So I get my face damp, and then I'm gonna use just a very small amount of it. That's all I have. And like I was saying, it does not foam up because it does not have those foaming agents in it. So, and now I will use my Skinvigorate brush. So this does have a timer. So it will go off after 1 minute, which is all you need to cleanse your face, is about a minute of it. And it is sonic. So like those super cool sonic toothbrushes. I'm sorry, my daughter just decided to try to mess with that. And it is waterproof, so you can take it in the shower and the top just pops off like that, so you can rinse off the brush head or exchange it for the massage head. And with the brush heads, you will want to replace them every 3 months or so. Okay, now that that is done, My daughter moved it again, sorry. Okay, now that that is done, I'm going to move on to, what I'm actually going to do is combine the nourishing oil and the exfoliating powder. So I'll go over what both of those do here in a second. So the exfoliating powder, it gently exfoliates your skin. This you can mix in with your cleanser. So if you're using the Repair cleanser or the botanicals, you can mix it in with that as well, and it just gives a little extra layer of exfoliation. And they are gentle enough. The exfoliating powder is gentle enough. You can use it twice a day, every day. So pretty cool stuff. Doesn't leave the skin feeling over scrubbed. Again, it is free of parabens and phthalates and synthetic dyes, synthetic fragrance, SLS, SLES. So, and it is part of the Ecocert, like what I went over with the cleanser, the COSMOS Ecocert. So it leaves your skin feeling smoother and softer, preps skin for your next part of your routine. So the exfoliating does lift away complexion dulling dead skin cells, and it helps unclog pores, which can also help your pores appear smaller, which is awesome. So it does feature hydrogenated castor oil processed into fine little wax beads, and citric acid. So if you're allergic to citric acid, you can't use this one, but it does have citric acid to provide exfoliating benefits, which help the skin cell turnover. So younger looking skin, cleaner skin, awesome. Rice starch does offer absorbent qualities. Rice starch does offer absorbent qualities, while baking soda provides the soothing benefits. This one, it does say features a light vanilla scent. I don't smell it again. The only one that smells to me is the nourishing oil. So let's see here. And this one is 100% natural origin. So remember, the cleanser is 99.49%. The exfoliating powder is 100%. So pretty cool there. Can be used 2 to 3 times a week, but it can also be used every day, whatever you prefer. And you want to use a dime size to a quarter sized amount. I will show you exactly how much I use. So I'm going to be using it with the oil, and I'll go over the oil actually real quick before we get started. Amelia, stop. So the oil leaves your skin feeling hydrated and nourished, and I absolutely love this oil. It is so fantastic. I've never used a face oil before, and this is wow. So it does absorb very quickly. With me having oily skin in the summer, I thought it was going to make me feel like really greasy. Doesn't absorb super quick. Again, free of phthalates, dyes, parabens, synthetic fragrance, and SLS, SLES. So with the oil, pretty cool stuff. So 80% of women said, I love how my skin feels. It absorbs quickly, is super lightweight. Your skin feels smooth and satiny and supple. It's just perfect. So it's a blend of sweet almond oil, olive oil, and sesame oil, which are natural emollients, and they provide moisturizing benefits. So it does include squalene derived from plants, which is an excellent moisturizer. It's an excellent moisturizer to help support your skin barrier, and it reduces dryness. So pretty cool there. Vitamin E is also in it, which does provide antioxidant benefits. So it's 100% natural origin as well. So pretty cool there. Can be used all over. You can use it on your face. You can use it in your hair. It can be used as a beard oil on your cuticles, on your feet, elbows. It's fantastic. You can use it everywhere, and it's just, I love it. It's probably my favorite thing in the line, to be completely honest with you. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I will show you what I do. So it just is a twist off cap. So I just do teensy little bit. And I'll add 3 to 4 drops of the oil. So the oil does come in this, and as you can see, let me see if I can focus it. I use a lot of that. Like, it's my favorite thing. My cat's down there. Sorry, guys. Freaked me out for a second. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you need to add a little more, you can, but I won't need to. So I just take it, put the oil together. So Make sure you close it so your daughter doesn't spill it or break the glass. So this is exfoliating and moisturizing at the same time. Pretty cool. So after I'm done, all I have to do is rinse. Oh, my face feels so good. Okay, so last but not least is the moisturizing stick. Yeah, exactly this. Moisturizing stick. So it is super fantastic as well. Let me get to it. So it is convenient. I like that it is in a stick, so you can use it as a lip balm. You can use it on your feet. Obviously, you want to use 2 separate ones if you're going to be doing that. But you can use it, like I said, lip balm on your face. You can use it on your elbows, any super dry patches. It's fantastic. And as the rest of the line, it is free of parabens, phthalates, sles, synthetic fragrance, synthetic dyes. Okay, so this one is also 100% natural origin. It has beeswax in it, candelilla wax, does have carnauba wax in it as well, which has emollient benefits, so helps keep your skin from drying out. Contains beeswax, like I said, and also contains sunflower seed wax and sunflower seed oil. So lots of goodies in that. And let's see here. So you just use it on your super dry, here you go, Dupes. Super dry areas on your face. So this is what it looks like. You just turn it up and it comes out. So for me, my lips are really dry. I'll put some. And that's all I need for this. So last but not least, it's not part of the Naturally line, but I do want to include an eye gel. So my eyes are really puffy this morning. Didn't really sleep a whole lot last night because of someone. The Indulge Soothing Eye Gel is fantastic. It just reduces tired looking eyes. It has a whole lot of goodies in it. It is not an anti-aging, it's more, thank you. It's not anti-aging, but it's very soothing. It does help decrease under eye bags and redness and puffiness. So, because I didn't really sleep a whole lot because of someone last night. So I'm going to be using that, and it just goes more along with the Naturally line with that type of ingredients. So it does increase your skin moisturization up to 130%. Has green tea extract in it, has cucumber extract, and then dog rose hip extract. So the green tea is an antioxidant and it's a soothing agent. The cucumber is a soothing agent, and then the dog rose is a conditioner, so it improves the appearance of your skin. So pretty cool there. And you just put it underneath and you're good to go. So it does come in this little blue gel. So I do have some clients that are welders, and they will use this if they burn their eyes when they're not wearing their masks. Just. But this does help soothe that, and it doesn't take much of this at all. And you can wear this actually with, you can put it over your regular eye cream. If you're using an anti-aging eye cream, you can use this over that. It just helps decrease puffiness. So super great there. But that is the Naturally set. So I just wanted to show you guys how to use it. Thanks.